Next speaker is World Environment and Resources Council.
I thank you, Madam Vice President, for this opportunity to speak about the state of freedom of expression, political activity, and peaceful assembly in Pakistani-occupied Gilgit-Baltistan, where the natives live under complete censorship as their homeland has been converted into a military garrison. The media representatives face continuous harassment and torture for exposing the inhumane treatment of the locals. Recently, on 25th of August, offices of Daily K2 and Karakoram Publishing Network were vandalized by Secret Service agents, while 2 journalists were arrested and tortured for exposing incidents of gang rape involving government employees, as well as accounts of extrajudicial murders, enforced disappearances, and arbitrary detention in the valley of Hunza. Hunza, which was hit hard by the flash floods and landslides in 2010, has this time come under heavy police and paramilitary attack, leading to 2 deaths and detention and disappearance of dozens of flood victims and political workers. Prominent among them are Manzoor Parvana and Babajan Hunzai, who were punished for opposing illegal involvement of Chinese mining companies in the region. Babajan Hunzai is currently placed in an interrogation cell, and the international community is requested to pressure Pakistan for his earliest release. Manzoor Parvana has several sedition cases against him for publishing military crimes of Kargil War of 1999 and criticizing the rulers for promoting sectarianism and altering religious and ethnic demography to weaken indigenous identity. Manzoor, Babajan, and others have been charged under laws which do not apply to the disputed territory of Gilgit-Baltistan, as it remains outside the constitutional boundary of Pakistan. Support to these defenders is vital since they have no access to an international judicial system. To conclude, Pakistani occupation of Gilgit-Baltistan has created serious humanitarian crisis. Special attention of UN rapporteurs and their immediate visit to the region is requested to help address these grievances. I thank you, Madam Vice President.
Thank you.